Most people think that their digital life is locked because they have a password. But in actual reality, your private data is actually sitting in an open envelope that anyone with the right tool and the right skill can access publicly. Today, I am showing you how to seal that open envelope forever using encryption. If you don't do this, what will actually happen? Your bank details, your private chats, and even your business secrets are essentially not private property but a public one. By the end of this video, we will have a 10-step shield that even the most advanced AI cannot attack. Let's get there. As a machine learning engineer, I see how fast all these data harvesting tools are evolving. And especially for us in Africa, we are beginning to move our entire life to the online space. Our market, our businesses, our faiths, even our families. And if we don't secure the foundation, we are going to be building on the sand. We need to fix that. Now, here's a practical example of Bose. She's a freelancer who is based in Lagos. She used public Wi-Fi to send a client proprietary file, no encryption at all. What do you think will happen? A simple man out there with the right skill and the right tool can interface with this private document. The answer will be that Bose will lose both her business and her reputation. Bose could be thinking that she is safe, all because she has a strong password. But in the actual sense, she is not, because passwords are like doors, while encryptions are like money vaults that is kept in a room that is locked. Now, in your mind, you will be wondering, what is the meaning of encryption? Encryption is simply the art of making sensitive information useless. Anyone that is now the rightful owner of the data will not be able to use it. The data will be useless to the person. So, for example, encryption tells hello to what you are seeing on the screen, so that even if a hacker steals the access to data and get access to the data, the hacker will see a gibberish. Now, I will always recommend that you use tool that enables end-to-end encryption to protect you, so that you are the only authorized owner of the access keys. Move sensitive chat to Signal. Enable lock chat on your WhatsApp. Use Proton email for business critical information. Turn on your 5V for your MacBook, and for your corresponding Windows computer, use BitLocker. Before you upload any file to Google Drive, use Cryptomator. Switch to 1.1.1 Cloudflare to encrypt your browsing. Use Authenticator app, not SMS. A VPN on public Wi-Fi with no exceptions. Encrypt your external backup drives. Use a password manager, Bitwarden, so you don't reuse the keys. And most especially, don't digitize what does not need to be online. If this is making sense, hit that subscribe button right now. My goal is to make sure that you are not just making use of AI and technology, but you are actually winning with it securely. Transform your work by protecting it. Security is not about fear, it is about stewardship. If you are being called to lead and build in this digital age, you have a responsibility to protect your data and your online ecosystem. Don't leave your gates open, and start with one step today.